Ever had an idea you just could not find anywhere? We fix that here. We do a wide range of 3D printing. For example, using plastic. It starts with a spool of plastic thread. The printer melts it and draws your design, one layer at a time, like stacking flat shapes until they become a solid object. It is called Fused Deposition Modeling printing. We have everything from small printers for quick prototypes to larger printers for bigger ideas. Research tools, accessibility aids, anything you can design. We are located at W501. Other materials apart from plastic are also possible. Bring your file or just bring your idea. Make it real.